welcome to Anna's Quest. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for you to get notification for new video upload, and share this video. Comments are also welcome. Alright, for today, I'll be showing to you three major parts of a Delonghi coffee machine. So that's the overall topic. So from shopping and buying it from Costco, which is Costco Northlakes, and the unboxing of this coffee machine, and lastly will be the how to use this coffee machine. Costco, and we're buying this Dinamica fully automatic coffee machine. So we're here getting one. Video of the Delonghi Dinamica fully automatic coffee machine. So we've done our research for the best one on the market with a good value of money, and among all the products we come up with this one as the pricing. I will add it on the description box as well. This is what's inside the box. So instruction what to do. Welcome to the world of coffee by Delonghi. show you. So we are using the Nelly coffee, so it's a local coffee, so hashtag support the local business. And you place it here. Come on, that's where you go the coffee beans. Now let's plug this in and turn it on. Turn it in. Turn on. It says fill tank. So we have to fill the tank first. So how to do that? This is what you're gonna do. Pull. That's the tank part. So the filter is already installed inside. Let's go and fill the water. Let's fill it up to the first line. Here. Insert tank. This one is heating process, so that's why I placed that. It's rinsing at the moment, so you should have always a spare container like this for excess liquid. Select your for hot milk, cafe latte. I usually have cafe latte. It's okay. So it will ask you to insert milk container. So that's our milk container here. So we need to install that too. So closer look of the milk container. So insert. That one is the level of froth, and that's the cleaning dial. Let's add some in there, the container. Okay, that should be enough for 2 coffee. And place it back. Be sure your dial is set to how you like the frothing. So that's for me for my coffee latte. And this is where you attach the milk container. So just take that off, pull that, be sure to keep that safe, and that part there, just insert it until it's properly attached. There you go. And you can lift that up and down. I think okay, so I've attached the milk container. So what it's doing, it's rinsing. And you can select your beverage. I will place my mug in there. So that one, look, that's all the water that's being from the heating to the rinsing. Set that aside, and I'll place mine. It's on my cafe latte at the moment. I press OK. Now it's making my latte. Look at that. Life is too short. Buy the shoes, order the dessert, drink the wine, and have a good coffee machine. need to press stop. You can press stop because the froth, I've placed so much froth. Okay, yep. And it's asking me if I want to clean or escape to clean. So I'll just show you how to clean. It's easy. See? Now I will show you when you click turn off, what's going to happen. So when we press turn off, so that's the button up there, it will rinse again, and that's it, it's off. I'll take this off, and you see that it has white froth in there from the milk. I'll just give it a slowly wipe. I usually just use a paper towel like that. It's clean, make sure it's clean, then you place that back. Alrighty, and milk goes in the fridge. To the fridge. So now let's talk about what do I think about the coffee machine. So overall, I can say it's good value for money, easy to use, especially for me as a first-time user of a coffee machine. And since it's a fully automatic, that's why it makes it easier for. So I can highly recommend this machine to everyone. Alrighty, so that's it. That's my freshly made cafe latte. So I love cafe latte. That's what I always drink if I buy coffee outside. So if you like the video, guys, don't forget to hit like. You can leave a comment if you have any questions about the product itself. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.